Want to cook something for your crush but don't know how? Let me show you this pasta dish in 20 minutes. 10 if your water is already boiling. We're gonna need some salt and some olive oil to prevent the noodle from sticking. Noodles in! Meanwhile, we're gonna mince some garlic and shallots. Cherry tomatoes. And cut them into halves. Olive oil. Preheat the pan and add the shallots. Once they're fragrant over medium heat, add the garlics in. One tablespoon of curry paste. And 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Add the tomatoes and continue to saute. Now the pasta is cooked, strain them and transfer them to a pan. Whipping cream. It's done. And this is how you cook red curry pasta. Comment to let me know what you like to cook next. Enjoy!